In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Roblox username without email. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You don't actually need your email to change your Roblox username. Of course, you need to be able to sign into your account, but after that is done, the email will not be needed. So all that you have to do is go to roblox.com, and once you arrive at this page, in order to change your username or your display name, go over to the settings. You can also do this through the mobile app, but I'm going to be displaying it through the website. So you click on the settings icon, go to username or settings, and then in here under account info, which should be the default category, you will see display name and username. Display name is what appears for everyone when you are in game, when you are on experiences, and it's as simple as clicking on this little edit icon and then changing it here. Your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. So I'm gonna change it to this, click save, and it should take effect immediately. So as you can see, it was saved successfully, and if I go over to my page, it is now displaying like this with 2 X's. Now, if you want to change the username, you will sadly have to pay Robux. So if we go back into this page and we choose the option to edit the username, it actually costs 1,000 Robux, which is a lot. Sadly, you will have to pay, there's no workaround to this, but regardless, as you can see, you can still do this without using your email. So if you just want to change the display name, which is how other people will see your name appear when you join experiences, interact with them on the social tab, then just choose the option at the top, display name. Like I said before, this can only be changed once every 7 days, so if I try to do this again, it is most likely going to give me an error. But if you want to change the actual username, then sadly, it is going to cost you 1,000 Robux, which is a lot. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Roblox username without email. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.